Now, this is how you can put a link in your YouTube video description on your iPad. So I would recommend you, if you use like YouTube to publish and upload a lot of videos, and let's say that you want to just make sure you keep doing that, I would recommend you to get the official Studio app from the App Store, right? So you have the classic YouTube app to consume and like watch the videos, and you also have the YouTube Studio where you can easily just manage and edit videos right there. So I would recommend you to get this app where you can also just sign in with the same account. And once you get in here, you can see the list of all of your videos and everything is going to be there. And it's much easier to just add stuff to your description and other things as well. But okay, let me get to the point real quick. So you tap on the video and then you use the pencil icon to edit this. And then you scroll down a bit and you should see the description. So when you click on description, you have the ability to type that link manually, or most likely you're just going to copy and paste it in here as well. So you're going to come back, don't forget to save this, and that's how you can add link into your YouTube videos on like the iPad, right? But also, even if you have the YouTube standard app, you should have the ability to do the same thing where you just open up the YouTube, tap on your profile, then go to your videos, and you should see the option to tap on the three dots as well. And you should click on edit. And there, the description should also be accessible. So even through the YouTube app where you just watch videos, you should have the ability to add and put a link in your YouTube video description. So that's it. I hopefully made it a bit clearer for you to understand how it works. If there are more thoughts and insights you want to share, the comment section is the right place to do it. So go ahead and do so. Subscribe so you never miss future videos and content like this, and I'm going to catch you in the next one.